This is going to be a quick video. It's a bit of a remake of a video I did about a year ago. In the previous videos, I had shown how to build Visual Studio Code for your ARM64 device, or how you could get it from a third-party source to get it installed. Now neither one of those is necessary anymore because Microsoft now distributes the ARM64 binaries for Visual Studio Code. In order to get to these, let me back out of this and show you how I found them. You just go to visualstudio.com. When you go there, forward you to visualstudio.microsoft.com, and you see entries for the three versions of Visual Studio. There's the full IDE, Visual Studio Code, and Visual Studio for Mac. Of course, we want Visual Studio Code, so I'm going to click on Learn More. And after clicking on Learn More, if I go to other platforms, then I can see all of the various builds that I have available. Just to make things faster, I've already downloaded the build that I need, but since this is a 64-bit Raspberry Pi, I'd be getting the deb build of ARM64. So once it's downloaded, to install it, it's just a single command that you have to use in order to put it on your system. I've already switched to my download folder, and you can see the command here. It's sudo space dpkg space -i space and then the name of the deb file. And so when you press enter on that, it'll start unpackaging Visual Studio Code, and in a few moments it'll be installed. Okay, and that's it. It's installed. If I want to start Visual Studio Code from the command line, I can just type the word code, and in a few moments it'll open up and it looks almost exactly like it does on a PC. Similarly, if I want to get to it, it is now in my programming menu. You can see there's Visual Studio Code there. So this is a much easier installation. Next, I'm going to try and see if I can get this to also work on one of the NVIDIA Jetsons, and hopefully it should work. I expect it to work. That's all that I wanted to show. If you found this video to be of any value, please like and subscribe. I usually put content out about every other week. You can also check out my blog at blog.j2i.net. You can find me on both Instagram and Twitter under the user ID J2iNET. Until next time.